Hi friends, this is Eigen Tech Buddies and you are watching Eigen Tech Buddies YouTube channel. Airport Authority of India recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies. Also take up this time to subscribe to us and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Eigen Tech Buddies YouTube channel. So without much ado, let's get started. Junior Executive Electronics. So the educational qualification needed for Junior Executive Electronics is Bachelor's degree in Engineering or Technology with a minimum 60% marks in the disciplines of Electronics or Telecommunication or Electrical with specialization in Electronics from a recognized or deemed university or from an apex institution, that is IIT recognized by Government of India. Then the number of vacancies are in underserved category 60 vacancies, EWS 15 and OBC category 45 vacancies, SC category 19, SG 11 and in PWD category 1 vacancies are there. Junior Executive Bachelor's degree in Engineering. The educational qualification needed for the post is Bachelor's degree in Engineering or Technology in Civil with minimum 60% marks from a recognized university. And number of vacancies in underserved category is 8, EWS category 1, OBC non-creamy layer category 2 and SC/ST category 1 and 2, then PWD category 1. Junior Executive Engineer Electrical. The educational qualification needed for the post is Bachelor's degree in Engineering or Technology and Electrical with a minimum of 60% marks from a recognized university. Then the number of vacancies are underserved category 10, EWS category 1, OBC category 1, SC category 1, SG category 1 and PWD category 1. So there will be an age limit of 27 years old. So the candidates below 27 years old can apply for the job. The maximum age limit is relaxable by 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer category and 5 years for SC/ST category. So the monthly salary is 40,000 to 1,40,000 rupees. So for freshers, this is a wonderful opportunity because the starting pay scale, basic pay is 40,000. For freshers, this is a wonderful opportunity. In addition to basic pay, other allowances will be given. Then the GATE marks obtained. The main qualification is GATE mark. GATE 2019 is valid. The GATE 2019 marks must be valid and there is no experience needed for the post. The screening and eligibility will be based on details provided by the candidate. The candidates shortlisted on the basis of GATE 2019 marks will be called directly for document verification, which will be held at corporate headquarters at New Delhi. Then we can discuss about how to apply. In their official website, under the tab Careers, you can apply for the job. The Careers tab link is given in the description box. You can check it out. Before starting to fill up the online application, candidates should keep at hand the following details: educational qualification, personal details, caste category certificate. If you are an ex-serviceman, then discharge certificate, scanned photograph and signature, any other details or documents related to eligibility criteria. So there is an application fees of 300 rupees for general and OBC male category. There is no application fees for SC/ST, PWD and female candidates. For the female candidates don't have any application fees. They can directly apply on the online without any fees. Opening date for application is August 3, 2020. So you can apply through their career site. The closing date for submission is September 2, 2020. So The eligible candidates who meet the eligibility criteria can apply before September 2, 2020. If you have any doubts regarding the job, you can comment on my comment box. If your relatives and friends are eligible for this job, please share with them also. Thank you.